Hi, good evening with rainy seasons. Have a great rainy seasons to you all. I love rainy season. Why I love? Because of whenever rain is started at the time, my mama makes for me fritter or a lot of different type of snacks. I love it with hot cup of tea because I love tea of ginger. Ginger tea, I love it. So today I'm gonna teach you about some snacks in English. So let's get started. Risol, risol, risol. What? Risol. Risol is just say. I will not tell you in Hindi just because of if I will tell you in Hindi, and obviously you try to learn Hindi to English or English to Hindi, but you just see image, and by the image you can guess this is risol. Okay, often we prefer to have risol with the sauce, green sauce and red sauce. Green sauce so much sour and so much spicy, and red sauce is a kind of sweet sauce. You can say ketchup, tomato ketchup. Okay. Second is fritter. You can eat fritter in rainy seasons. Any fritter. You can eat potato fritter or onion fritter or cheese fritter. My mouth was so watering. That's why actually I'm just taking a taste while telling to you. Okay, so next is funnel cake. Funnel cake, or you can say syrup ring. Syrup ring. Okay, or you can say syrup ring filled. Syrup ring filled. Okay, so next is water balls. Water balls, so much tasty, spicy, sweet. This water we often prefer to have with water balls, and children also so much prefer to have it with the sauce of water ball. Okay, next is mixed curd, or you can say mixed grind curd or mixed curd salad. Why I'm saying to you salad? Because if you just take any kind of mixed curd and if we will add vegetable, so definitely that will be convert into the mixed curd salad. So next word is savory. 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 This is the kind of mixture of namkeen. Next word is way. 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 If you want to keep your body temperature in the cool in summer vacations, because in the summer vacations temperature so much exhausted or so much heat and hot, so you just prefer to have way. Okay, next word is pudding. 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 We prefer to have pudding after the dinner as a dessert. You also can take hot pudding or cool pudding, but if you want to take a taste, so of course just prefer to take taste with hot of pudding as a dessert. Next is pancake. 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 This is a kind of sweeties. Next is syrup filled balls. Syrup filled balls. This is a kind of two color, black and black, red, maroon, or second is white. Okay, if you prefer to take white, so of course it's really taste of juicy and so much sweet and so much, like sweet juicy, and this is the kind of cool dessert. And if you prefer to take hot black syrup filled pearls, so of course it will be so much tasty, sweet and juicy in winter vacations, in winter season. Okay, next is flattened rice. Flattened rice, it's a snack. It's really amazing in a breakfast, and by that you also can be fit and fine. You also can keep yourself healthy. Next is wafer. 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 This shape is really very slim and circle like as a chapati. Wafer. This is the really crispy while eating time. Next is French fries. French fries. French fries. You also can take it with spices, or you also can sprinkle spices on the French fries, and after that you can take it with hot cup of tea like me, or you can say you also can take it with hot cup of coffee or cold coffee, and you also can take it with sauce, sweet and spicy. French fries. So today I taught you 15 snacks with image. Don't try to learn Hindi to English and English to Hindi. Just try to recognize with image, with quotations, and definitely you don't have need to learn. And definitely after this video, definitely everyone will about to go into the kitchen and restaurant. Thank you so much and have a great good day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And please, I'm doing really very hard work, efforts to making a videos, to editing. So please, if I just did any kind of mistakes, please forgive me and just correct to me as well by the comment section. If this video is really very like, so definitely you can tell to me by the comment sections. Bye and have a great good day. Thank you so much.